All right, here is a reciprocal function. We are going to graph it, state the domain and range, and identify any asymptotes. So if you remember, this is the reciprocal parent function. So we have two key differences. The first one is this +1 on the bottom. Second one is +3 at the back. Anything that is with x is horizontal. So with this +1, we have a horizontal shift. Okay, so +1. Horizontal shifts are always opposite because it's always a -h. And so this is a horizontal shift. It's actually left 1. Even though you would think it would be right, it would be left 1. The second difference is +3 at the back. At the back is the vertical shift, so that we know this is a vertical shift. And there's no opposites with +k's, and so this is just up 3. So now that we've identified the transformations, we can go ahead and graph this. Normally our asymptotes are at 0 and 0, but now we're going to shift left 1, up 3, draw our asymptotes, and then sketch our hyperbola. So first step, let's move this asymptote left 1. So instead of being this vertical asymptote being here, we're going to go left 1, sketch our asymptote. So we've got a vertical asymptote at x equals -1. All right, we're also going to go up 3 with our horizontal asymptote. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And right there, our graph is never going to cross these asymptotes. So this is a horizontal asymptote at y equals 3. And then we'll sketch our hyperbola. So I didn't leave a lot of space up here, but it's going to make that hyperbola shape and the hyperbola shape here. So even though it looks a little messy, we are looking at our graph coming like that. Okay, so with that, we do need to adjust our domain and range. So domain and range. With the parent function, we had gaps at 0, so we went from left, stopped at 0 to right, bottom, stop at 0 to top. This time, we have our gaps at different places. So left to right, we have a gap at -1. So domain goes from -infinity, not including -1, picks back up at -1, and then goes all the way to +infinity. Range, bottom to top, we have a gap right here at 3. So we go from bottom to 3, gap 3 to infinity. And that's it.